we are still on dimension of physical quantities. We just want to take a series of questions on dimensions of physical quantities. The first one is, which of the following is a dimension of pressure? Okay, if you check the previous video, I think we have explained that, but we'll do it again. Pressure is what? Pressure is force over area. And don't forget, force is mass times acceleration. And then the area is in meter square. The area is in meter square. So the dimension for force is m for mass. Acceleration is what? Meter per second square. L per t square over what? Over meter square. That will be L square. Then apply the law of indices. This is power 1, and that will be what? M. This is 1 minus 2. That will be minus 1. Then this is what? T minus 2. If you remove these power, so that will be M, L minus 1, T minus 2. Which one is that option? That's option A. We have question 2. The equation P to power X, V to power W, V to power Y, T to power Z equal to constant is Charles' law when the following options. Okay, we have those options there. So we are going to show that. Okay, so let's look at the solution to that. According to Charles' law, V over T is equal to what? Is equal to constant from Charles' law. Then this one is the same as what? As this, equal to what? Constant. Move these over. So that will be what? T to power minus 1. Then we can now go back now to the given expression, to the given equation, which is what? Which is P to power X, V to power Y, T to power Z equal to what? Constants. And the constant we've gotten from Charles' law, we are going to set the two equations in the same format, which is going to be what? This one. There's no P in this side, but we are going to make P to be there, which will be P to power 0. So introducing P in this place has not changed the Charles' law. P is equal to what? To power 0 is 1. So by comparison, X is equal to what? Is equal to Y. This one is power 1. Anything to power 1. Anything to power 1 is that number. Y is equal to 1. And Z is equal to what? Z is equal to minus 1. So that's by comparison the times, the power of the times together. So that's option S is 0, Y is 1, Z is minus 1. Option B. Again, option B. Don't forget to, if you are new on the channel, please smash the watermark on the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't stop there. Click on like button and begin to share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Begin to do it right now. Okay, and for those that are returning subscribers, returning viewers, please share the links on your social media platform. The physical quantity that has the same dimension as impulse. Impulse is force times time. Force is ma times time. And then mass is capital M. Acceleration is L t minus 2. That's for acceleration. And then times t. So the dimension for impulse is m, L. If you combine this one together using your indices, this is power 1. So minus 2 plus 1, that will be t minus 1. So that's dimension for impulse. Let's check the energy. Dimension for energy. Energy is the same as work. So ability to do work. So which is force times distance. Force is m, L t minus 2 times L for distance, and that will be equal to what? M L square t minus 2, which is not the same. Impulse. Let's check the momentum. For momentum, is mass times velocity. Mass is capital M. Velocity is what? Meter per second, which is L t minus 1. So that is the option. Is the same with impulse. But momentum and impulse, they have the same dimension. That makes it to be what? Option B. Next question. Question 5. The dimension of electromotive force. We have the options. Of electromotive force, which we call the EMF. Which is EMF is the same thing as electric potential. Okay, that's voltage. That's the PV. EMF is the same thing as a potential difference. Okay, which is equal to work done over what? Over charge. electric charge. EMF is the same thing as a potential difference. Work done, as we know, is force times distance. Then charge, that's the formula. Q is a symbol for charge. That's this formula as what? Current times what? Times time. So this one is MA for mass. Okay. Which is what? Force is capital M for mass. Acceleration is L T minus Q. Distance is L over